quick midweek interruption. Just want to let you know I'm actually doing this competition with a couple buddies of mine to lose weight. So we got 3 months to lose as much weight as we can, and whoever loses the most weight wins a certain amount of money that's in the pot. So that's what I'm going to be doing, but the perk about this one is I'm going to be doing daily vlogs just to show you my exercise routines, just to show you my eating habits and what I do to shed the pounds. So hopefully I do really good. Hopefully it's a good time. Hopefully I don't dread it. So I hope you guys enjoy just that journey. So you guys be expecting that this weekend. We're going to start on Friday. We're doing a weigh-in on Friday. And I'm going to throw a little challenge out for you guys to guess my weight. And whoever gets the closest, or who actually gets the amount, will actually get a gift card from me. So you guys be looking out, be posting, commenting on the video. To conclude this video, I want to show you guys a new addition to the family. This is Toothless. Thank you guys for all the support. Hope you guys enjoy these videos. You guys have a wonderful rest of the week, and I'll see you soon. Peace.